Okay, today we are going to replace some light bulbs on a Toyota 4Runner 2017. And the first thing that we need to do is get our supplies, which I talked about in a previous video. I'll put a link in there. And for this job, we got our halogen fancy lights. We have bulb grease that's recommended because it gets so hot at the connections. And then for anything that's halogen, one of the secrets is you need to use gloves, because if you actually touch the bulb glass there, it will significantly degrade very quickly, and you'll have to do this job over and over again. And these are very expensive, so you don't want to do that. So we're going to get all prepared to do that, and then we're going to show you how easy it is to replace bulbs in the headlight on the car. Okay, we are going to look, so you can see the headlight here. And we're going to go up and over to the back side of the headlight, and you will see one, or in this case two different places that you can unscrew these this thing right here is for the headlight, and you actually grab onto that black piece right there, push it in just slightly, and then rotate it counterclockwise until the tabs open up, and then you should be able to pull it straight out, exposing the light bulb. So we're going to do that. Another thing to keep in mind whenever you replace light bulbs is to get a pair so that they're the same brightness when you get done. That helps a lot. Okay, so on the back side of this you can see a little tab here. If you push down there, then you can pull the light bulb out without breaking it. Just like that. Now we'll get the new light bulb ready. The bulb grease earlier comes usually in a little packet. And the purpose of that is, if you look at the connection here, there's a little bit of metal in there, and they'll tell you that it increases connectivity and reduces the heat if you just put like a little dab of it in each one of those two holes there. So that's what we're going to do next. Get some? No, I need. Yeah, let's see how messy this is. Then when we put the other connection of the light bulb in there, it'll squish it in there and it'll be fine. So just need to get a little bit on top, just like that. Alright, we are now going to put the two pieces together and see that they click. Oh, I heard the click. Now you could just take the assembly, put it back in the hole, put the tabs in, and then screw clockwise. And I don't know if I can't get a picture of this, but it's real easy. We got the light bulbs replaced, so we're going to clean up our mess, and then I'll show you turning the lights on, make sure they work. We got the bulbs replaced, and now we're going to show you. We'll turn the high beams on, and then we'll see them both on, and there they are. Easy project, easy finish.